This is Kesman 93.3 FM, a new wave of excellence in radio.
I want to follow the convention.
And the game,
you know,
ma minti we.
Okay.
The more you crave, you come born right.
But most times, you know, most times I say let our say no.
Mr. Maria didn't have some born.
Thomas Tuchel in your 2 additions now and to me and Bibia we fail one and the team we are cry one share we fail one. Champions League Group B. Obviously a didn't in the cast a new group of death. No who say teams sleep or metrum. Did in that than ever. So just so check groups now more about a year or more in running enough for the Champions League. It is only the Group B that you have Atletico Madrid that have played 2 finals. OFC Porto Omaji Champions League Minu. OAC Milan Omaji Champions League 7. And now Liverpool Omaji 6. Into obviously Group B anywhere Obina Cathedral for me and sound or check it from the first group could see the last one. It is only Group B that is where you have past winners and Miensa and until Namaya Kase group near group of death. Now the crew woman say AC Milan for qualification or money. This is the first time in 7 years. Until I agree. So move by any who be last season almost tried to beat me at Siriano, but they lost it in the last minute. But again, so they almost compare the previous years now. Quality no any what is second, you know. But in the current regime, football has always been teamwork. More than individual in recent times. Nti edumani ina Stefano Pioli so betimi ayaye ni ye. Liverpool or check after winning it at the Wanda Metropolitano performance and so any omotna home Emma Atletico Madrid be good money Porto. The last time against Madrid there was the same old story. Emma almost free. My feel no more back thinking so almost be team this particular time. And we talking of FC Porto. Omko conjure magic against Juventus in Turin, but the next stage Nyama and Timi and Fankoye and Omo players na and Dasukra, the likes of Jesus Corona and then Constanza Obama, the Omo de Babe bought this particular championship, and you have Diego Pablo Simeone, and also Nancy Nkoye being eliminated by RB Leipzig and last season so and Timi and Nkoye, but again on also one coach and the team is still intact. Omo Hona and Osade Matias Kuna and then Rodrigo de Paul, one Brazilian, one Argentine Ababekao. Until I shared the coach Diego Pablo Simeone and so the be room for this particular time. But as it stands now, Atletico Madrid and Liverpool are favourite for that particular group. Okay. But again, so first game Antimi and Koya and Farmawa, Seju, and Yama beat me etiao. For the Champions League, so I had drawn now. Omo Munshadanya Diana Kugu Falcon, and I intriguing features. It's likely to see a bit me Ronaldo, Lionel Messi in one group. It's said the last season, Yenya Juventus in Barcelona in one group. In Tibasa Turin, Ronaldo Zuba New Camp Samba Ben and Yemeni Bill. I feel say likely. I brought Ronaldo Akachen and Amfu in Aso Oko. None a lock at once Sunny Yemeni in every minute. Nebi Bia a yatre. See Binya Ronaldo Messi again. Again in the group, Yenya group, watch a group and a team my friend. A Real Madrid woman last season. One group, one team pay the free. Inter Milan keep the place. Shakhtar Donetsk keep the place. Real Madrid keep the place. He only left with Borussia Mönchengladbach. The last season almost our group him and at this season almost team and armored that particular group. So clearly, a repetition of the old guys. We have Manchester United that almost against Villarreal. Almost lose to them in the Europa Cup final. Yes, at this particular time. Manchester for a revenge, or it is going to be the same old story because in recent times, Omuni Spain for the ball, Omo Europa Cup, Omukoshia Sevilla Amfa, Omukoshia Villarreal Amfa, and the last time in the Champions League, Omushia Barcelona Amfa. When they met Sevilla in the Champions League again, Amfa Momo. In United for revenge, so Omushia the Spanish clubs now, Nema Betty Akoyi, Eddie Amomana. So that group alone is another tricky group. Because Atlanta for us to watch Omujumadia, Gianpiero Gasperini do Omudia. The only player who free on your branch is Christian Romero, but they have Rafael Tuloy. I'll beat me affiliate the gap at the moment. So you share how things will unfold in that particular area group. Rashford then there's a Franco here and get to on that. Rashford needs the progression injuries inconsistency they are very normal and only you have to 8 billion very normal for English boys. So almost yeah, people no, and in Kratado, any media, and Peja or Moad Kukusistro, Until who expected them come be through the pace of their career pair where they started from. But right for the near lucky, but apart from injuries, I feel some means maybe we say Aquajuman Zoom. I also hear who are Jumane, so the bear will beat me a conen. Prosper all-time best player for Blaster will be beside media Abedi Pele. Prosper Net is a do. Me hear Prosper Net squad yam shemekakra. Me list me here for the 11 of the season. Yam say media me and Sunny home. Me media na Beloa Gani Marshall Abeku and me media me and but tell you it's interesting. So be pick Justice Totite ahead of Kwame Pepra or being junior dear we see Taylor. It is a matter of opinion. But said you a player who plays 16 games and also says good for Wafa, you pick him ahead of the top scorers of the Ghana Premier League. No. David Mintiase. Again, Mudasiru Salifu as number 6. Raza Kasim of Olympics was for me ahead of him. Benjamin Futu was ahead of him. Eric Kesso of Ashgold was ahead of him in terms of the holding role. So again,
Namudanka so Kotoko and Shada as number 6 throughout the season.
Yes, indeed. Sedu, again, I'm disappointed in there. Quadri Yadom, yes, on one Wafa boys, no Dom Kumukama. Quadri Yadom, Sedu, David, or follow within. Mohamed Alassane ahead of him, Roberta Dusso ahead of him, Ismail Ganiu ahead of him, in my opinion. And I feel say, Marshall Abeku deserve a spot. Augustine Boache or born home, but he wasn't part of my list. Or said to play very well, but he wasn't part of my list. My disappointment in Eba, Obibu said, at the house, no teamwork and Kwan. No more individuals, Anna. Said you, on share radio vocal
lack.
And I said, lack. On share radio vocal for 20 minutes. On share no for 20 minutes. And one will say individually or excellent. Radio vocal on share for 20 minutes. The touch and the movement quite just enough for you to assess the players or quality. Salif Ibrahim in the movement and how I see it distribute to in terms of the playmaking skills is just enough for you to know that technically or quality. Again, Robert Adusowa, Fatah Muhammad ne runs and cry enough. And said you how he tours the lines. Everyone wants a Fatah or enough quality. And he has team no in as much as a team play ne wasro, cohesion ne wasro, the bond ne wasro. They have certain individuals that are more quality.
Okay.
And I disagree with Prosper Nete, though that is opinion. But a league near boy, Prosper. Sabre view, so we ranty we as your first 11 there. Lagos City, dear, no, Sadu. New Eka said it take time. I agree with him. But say a boost season, you in a place now, told me now, say Pamoma, say there were decision making within the team or man take the into when you call for certain names.
Sacking all the players.
The NSL I'm kind of uncle.
Also, we know some players out of me now.
Sacking on now, me
I'm saying they sacking
not all, but those players that play, they are sacking all of them. No, I mentioned the names here.
Almost all of them.
They are almost first 11. I heard Becca Betrepe.
Oh, sir.
Oh, yes.
You have the list.
I know I'm born here.
No, be I went to Avino.
Oh, meet me as a
Sansis from me. One more told my Saki.
Richmond Anchi is living. Every Sopoku Asamojan, Sefal Duku, Baba Mahama, Foster Brahma, Adebayo Justice Anane.
Small boy, no, sir.
Onka.
I don't
that I have. I don't know.
I think signed 1 season. The season also. Asamoah signed 1 season. The season also. Adebayo loan from Denmark. Asoko.
Ndi almost now first 11 in Rebecca.
So yeah, the meeting so big to me call season or cow.
Yeah.
And I will be to me call loan. It will turn out right. And it will sign the second loan cry.
When you performance one come back,
and said you almost signing 15 players last season to almost team for and almost first 11 minutes. Oh, hey man, Rebecca Ampedu, the right back, Joseph Eji, Ono, Nasiru Moro, and Francis Ado, Omo Rebecca in their team. Team 94. Oh yes,
4.
The players I'm boy no me first 11 players. So you boy na. Until Lagos City there no. Omo Pompis cano, but so Pompis cana, you need right personnel. Nipa be you mama medi and Mohammed Medina Kosu Diamond. I think say 3 coaches in 1 season is just enough to tell you say the personnel you almost money jumadi appointment was questionable. Okay, players almost sign no almost again. It tells you the people almost team by signing players in the game questionable. Intina as much as it take time the team I feel their decision making wasn't right.
Okay.
Intina for to seek a good team omunya results by Legon City and team results. Kotoko has structured under 17, under 20 in the last 4 years. So obviously you going for House of Folk. Why am I saying so? So check junior side in the last 2-3 seasons Kotoko junior side and Egu. And so check players I promote to move from the junior side about senior side. Where pedalers that I have Dalad Ibrahim of Kotoko and then Douglas Uswansa. That is the list that I have. So me kohasa me wo Philip Heyman, Richard Bedu Oko Karele na Babaki. He was promoted in 2017. Oni Abranti Efede Manaf Uma. It is a Jew. And then let's not forget Omo e promote to Razak Ali and Issa Kuka. Until compare Kotoko and House of Folk from their youth side. The House of Folk youth side is structured and that can Arulas Eho. But where is the Kotoko junior side? Egu into Untimimfa Kotoko and Kototo House of Folk in the last 4 years when we are talking of being structured in the youth areas. So there was a